Today is February 26th, walking a trail in central Jersey, and thinking about the horrible fires in California, and thinking to myself, like, hey, Jersey, this is the way the majority areas with even an acre of trees look like just fallen, huge, dead trees. Like, look at this. So, this is years too. I've been walking these trails and it's just getting worse. So, it's not just California. There's like forests of dead trees everywhere. Hey Doge, get people back in the parks to do some chainsawing of these trees. Get that chainsaw.